Bitcoin weekly update. Today is July 12th, 2026. I'm going to go over a top-down analysis of what's been going on the charts of Bitcoin. First chart we have here is the monthly time frame. Price action rising, then falling. We have a falling since October of 25 of last year. Last month, June, ended bearish with a very small candle at the bottom, and now we are in July, which is starting, or in almost July 12th right now, which is almost the middle of the month, and we're picking up, retracing back up to the upside. This was the low. We actually went down past it. We got the liquidity and bouncing back up. So it's a possible recovery when this liquidity was hit. Let's go down to the lower time frame. Weekly time frame. We have from the beginning here all the way up. Price has been going up. Currently, price was going above the 200 MA, this yellow line here, which is average, and it dipped down below recently, but now it's surged back above the 200 MA. Had a little doji there, and different, like no movement, and now we're dropping down at least the beginning of this week. And one thing I like to see is a little dip before the rip, as I call it. Dip early in the week, and then it propels to the upside later on in the week as news and volume increases. So we'll see if that actually holds true for this case as well too. But we're at a very pivotal time, being so close to 200 MA. On a daily time frame, prices went up, then price action went down below the 200 MA. So lows, lower highs, so showing weakness. This was a bottom. It hit the bottom twice, and now rebounding back to the upside. We'll see if it comes down up or come down above this 200 MA. And that is the question. This is all time here, high up here. So we have a target here, target right here, target right here, where liquidity might be holding, staying right now, that this price action may want to go to. So we'll see how that goes. So this is the daily time frame on that, but let's see if there's any CME gaps. We still have some from the past. These CME gaps are around the 78,000, and the one at the 84,000 level. Don't see many CME gaps over here, so if this can go above the 200 MA and stay above it and inch toward above this high here, there's a little resistance to go to the upside. So we'll keep an eye on that. So keep note of this 67,000 and keep note of 74,500 level. Let's see what happens when we put some trend lines on there. We have this red action line, which is connecting all the previous highs. You see it's sloped down. Price action has been bouncing down under it the whole time. And you see that you get the yellow 200 MA. Price action finally actually crested above it here, and now 200 MA is going flat. So we might be going sideways for a while, but if we stay above 200 MA, that would be a good sign. If we get above this 4 hour, that's another good sign. That will be turning up to the upside if it rebounds. But currently right now, if you look at where are we right now as far as the 1 day, we're bearish. We're bearishly looking. All these are red, so still in the bearish time frame basically, or bearish bias. We have to find some more evidence to reach above and say, hey, we're going to the upside. But we're could be getting close. possibly. So on another note, I'm gonna give you, we have one news driver, I believe, on Thursday, I believe. I'll show you here. On Thursday, we have a news driver right here. Unemployment claims on the 23rd. Otherwise, the week is pretty quiet. So we'll see how this happens on Thursday. But that is a summary of the charts of analysis for Bitcoin on July 12th, 2026. Weekly update.